In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from an image instantly. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially when you need to extract information from screenshots, scanned documents, or photos without typing everything manually. With the right tools, you can turn any image into editable text in just a few simple steps. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer or device. OneNote has a built-in OCR, or optical character recognition feature, that allows you to extract text from images quickly and accurately. Make sure your notebook is fully loaded and ready to use. Then, insert the image containing the text you want to copy. You can do this by dragging and dropping the image onto your page or by using the Insert menu to add a picture from your files. Once the image is on your page, right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, look for the option that says Copy Text from Picture. Click on it, and OneNote will process the image to recognize all the text it contains. This might take a few seconds depending on the image size and clarity, so be patient. After OneNote has copied the text, navigate to the location where you want to paste it. This could be a new page, a Word document, an email, or any other application that accepts text. Simply press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac to paste the extracted text. You'll see the text appear exactly as recognized from the image, ready for editing or formatting as needed. OneNote's OCR is smart enough to handle typed text as well as reasonably clear handwritten notes, making it a versatile tool for many situations. If the text isn't perfectly formatted, you can quickly adjust it after pasting. This feature saves a tremendous amount of time and reduces errors compared to manual typing. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you can copy text from any image instantly using OneNote, turning images into editable, usable content efficiently. This technique is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who works with documents regularly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.